Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Bitcoin report for Monday, December 13. This is Bitcoin on a daily chart here, and we've got three possibilities with all of this. Let's just go through them. So if we call this a wave 4 here, we can look at this as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 up here for wave 1, and then an A and a B and a C pulling back for wave 2, and we'll have a closer look at that soon. We could also look at all of this here as the A wave here, and then the B wave up here, and then this wave C and 4 come over to here, and we look for 5 waves down through in this space here. Because the market took out the top over here, then the market would need to take the bottom out over here as an expanded flat. So that's a possibility. And then the last possibility is that if wave 4 is here, well, what's stopping us having wave 5 up here? So wave 3, 4 and 5, and we have looked at that count before, and also this week we'll have another look at that count and how it fits into the bigger picture, because this would be a wave 3 up here, and then we come back for another larger wave 4 before moving up higher. So we'll take a look at that next week. But I just really wanted to today look at the three possibilities for this, and it appears that we would need to put this B wave here before this wave 1 here at this stage, the way that the market's behaving at the 50,000, because I was waiting to see if the 50,000 became the support or the resistance, and then that would make it easy and help us with the direction at that point, and we can trade in the direction of that side of the market. So if the market finds the 50,000 as the resistance, or then we can short from that point. So it is looking that this is the move up from the 52,000 area up is looking a bit corrective rather than the starting of a bull market to the upside. So that's why we're going to put wave B over here. But these are the three of them here in this case. So let's just go in and have a closer look. So I mentioned that we'd look at the possibility of wave 1 over here, but still keeping in mind B and 5. So this would be the A, the B and the C, and this low would need to stay in place. And that's sort of okay, but I've pulled this apart within this space here, and it doesn't really count like 5 waves to the upside. It counts better as 3 waves to the upside. However, on Ethereum, it counts okay nicely to the upside as 5 waves. But Ethereum has also got 5 waves moving down in this little area, which we'll be looking at in a moment. So, but for Bitcoin here, this rally appears to be a corrective rally at this stage, and we're in that 50-60 zone there as well for that. So as I mentioned, I would give it some time here, and it's also possible for it to move up a little bit higher here, back up to these highs before moving down, but certainly looking for any short trades under this area here. So let's just have a look at the that on the short side. So considering at wave B up here for a moment, then we'd look down as wave 1 here, and an A and a B and a C for wave 2, and then down for 1 here, and of course an A and a B and a C back for wave 2. But this green wave 2 can also sit on this top here, and this can also be wave 1 to the downside here and coming back for wave 2, because on Ethereum this counts quite nicely down here as 5 waves, as an impulse wave, so it can just drop from here. So this is why traders need to be prepared for looking for short trades, at least under the 48, if the 48 becomes the resistance at that point. So yeah, that's the short trade, and I think we need to be prepared for it, and that's what I'm doing. So wave 1 and 2 here, then down for 1 and wave 2 here. So it could move quite quickly from this point, you know. I find markets move quite quickly between the numbers 3 and 5, so 30,000 and 50,000. With Ethereum, it's much the same as well. If we look at the bearish side of Ethereum, and this is the top over here, we would look down as 5 waves for 1, an A and a B and a C back for wave 2. That B wave should be there, but that's okay. I'll sort that out later. But anyway, wave 1 down here, wave 2 coming back over here, and then wave 1 here. And Ethereum can count quite nicely as 5 waves to the upside, but I must point out too that this move down through here also counts nicely as 5 waves as well. So yeah, looking for a rally back there. This is the 4-hour chart. So pretty much, well, you can raise that up a little bit really under those lows there. So, you know, on the intraday basis, you could look for the 4,000 to become the retested resistance. This move to the upside here is looking for it to come back in that space. That's corrective. It's not an impulse wave. It's in 3 waves, so it's corrective. So we should see this, you know, start moving lower here. And the 4,000 medium level has been a nice support. It looks like it may start becoming the resistance from this last high here. We've got this first lower high, and this is looking corrective. So we'll push down, but we'll see. We'll see. But yeah. So today I just wanted to have a look at the bearish side of Ethereum and also Bitcoin as well. So really it's just about the 50,000 here, the market working across this 50,000 and becoming the support or the resistance. And normally for support on this level as a sort of verification, I always look to the top of group 1, so that would take us to 53 at that point. So we would need to get a nice tested support on 53 to really sort of confirm a bullish move. And then under the 50,000, we've got the 48 here. Now with the 48, there's also 2 other little levels in which are part of group 2. So that's 46,500. That's going to be an important level. That if that becomes the retested resistance, well then you'll be dropping it down to 45 at that point. And 47,200 will also be in there, part of minor group 2. So really to find the reality of the direction, you just need to be a little bit patient now to see if the 48 becomes the resistance, and we'll be dropping from that point. The market can come back up to this trend line through here. But yeah, as a bearish move, we wouldn't want to see it get support on top of the 53. Support on that 53 top of group 1, then that would be bullish at that point. Alrighty, I'll leave it at that. Cheers.